Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
If Valorant reports a Vanguard issue, first save work and restart Windows 10 or 11 because Vanguard installs a kernel driver that only becomes active after a reboot. After login, press Windows, type Services, MSC and Open Services, find the VGC service labeled Riot Vanguard and confirm it shows running. If it is stopped, right-click and start it. Finally, launch the Riot client using Run as administrator to ensure Vanguard has permission to start and communicate with Valorant. If the service fails, open Settings Apps Programs and Features, locate Riot Vanguard, and choose Repair or Uninstall. After uninstall, open the Riot client and launch Valorant. The client will trigger a fresh Vanguard install. If the GUI fails, navigate to C, /program files /Riot Vanguard / and run the VGC uninstaller or installer executable to remove or reinstall files. After the reinstall completes, perform another system restart so the kernel driver loads and the VGC service can. Persistent Vanguard errors often stem from outdated Windows or graphics drivers. Open Windows Update and install all recommended patches, then update GPU drivers to the latest WHQL release. Check UEFI settings and ensure Secure Boot is enabled so Vanguard kernel components are trusted by the system. If you run virtualization or unsigned driver tools, temporarily disable them and retry Valorant. Finally, confirm no third-party security tool is blocking VGC by allowing Riot Client through antivirus or firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.